Okay, and then how I can replace and remove this oil pump what is in here. There is job steps that first I need to take this oil sump away, and then I can open these parts. And let's go to open this oil sump. Okay, and then how I can take this Ford Zetec engine's oil sump away and how it happens. And first we need to look in here down area, and let's go to do that next. Okay, and then when I am opening and I am planning to take out this oil sump, I need to open these bolts in here, and there is now really many these bolts, and I need 10mm wrench, and I open these bolts in that way, and these bolts are in that line. First one is in here, in that position, and then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. I calculate that there is 13 bolts. And then when I have opened these bolts in that way, I can move that. I can take my electric drill, and if we have this electric drill like this Hitachi, I can insert them, and I can easily, very fast, and in that way I can open these bolts. And there is really quite big 10mm specific bolts, and this is very heavy duty oil sump. Maybe best part in this Ford's engine is this oil sump. And then I take all of these bolts away, and when I have taken those bolts away, we can continue. Okay, and now when I have taken all these bolts away, I can take this oil sump out, and it opens quite easily. And if this is tight, then we can use a little bit crowbar, and we can hit these side areas like in, and insert some knife in here between these two parts in here. That we insert some knife, and then we bend that out. This is really durable, strong aluminium, and it looks like that. And now oil sump is free. Okay, and then I can disassemble these parts, and also I need, there's 8mm tools what I need in here, and there is my 8mm socket. And first I take this oil intake pipe, and there is 3 bolts what I first open in a little bit, and then I take this my tool that I can open these bolts fast. Okay, and then I take my Hitachi this battery drill driver, and I open this 8mm bolts really fast and easy way. This is really like to use, and there is trigger, and we can find this in this ebay.com. And then I take this oil pump plastic intake hose away, and then there is this metallic plate what is like for this oil main reason is I think that something like oil lubrication, and there is also 8 small bolts and 8mm socket. And I open this, and then this metallic plate is free. Okay, and now when I have take away this oil sump and then this oil pump intake hose in here, then I can take this oil pump away. And now I need to a little bit rotate that in another direction that we can see that more easily. Okay, and now this oil pump is in there, and there is cylinder head in there. And then I start to open that, and there is really situation that I need to open these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 these bolts, and they are 8mm. There is 8mm socket and then small wrench, and I open a little bit. This is like open, and then next one is open, and the next one, and then I open this little bit, and then I use my faster tool, and there is also in there and there in that way. Okay, and then I take my this electric drill and Hitachi drill driver, and I'll open first bolt. It is quite long. Second, third, next, and there is interesting long bolt. Look, it is much longer, and similar in here. Good. And now these all bolts are free, and then I can take the central wheel, timing belt wheel away. And then when this wheel is away, this oil pump opens so easily. And here is, by the way, then this oil crankshaft oil gasket. If we have leak, we have to replace that gasket. And now oil pump is free.